Hey, hope everyone's having a great day. Today's video is my post-workout protein meal. So I'm going to show you what I'm eating today after my workout. And it's a little bit of a sarcastic title because I'm actually having watermelon, which of course isn't high in protein. But the reason I had to make this video is because when I was buying watermelon the other day, something strange happened. I was in the grocery store and, well, first of all, I just want to say that I don't care what anyone eats, and I eat bad food myself sometimes, so I just want to make that clear. But I was in the grocery store the other day, and a lady came in there, a customer came in there, and she asked the people working there if they sold protein water. And I'm just like, wow, this is crazy. The protein thing is like crazy out of hand in my opinion. There's been a protein craze going on for a while now, and I just don't understand it. But everyone is pushing protein. The media is pushing protein. The food companies are pushing protein, and now apparently I guess we have protein water. So like I said, it doesn't matter to me what anyone eats, but I think it's getting a little out of hand when we start putting protein in the water. And to me, that was just a little crazy. But anyways, yeah, this is my post-workout meal. Having a big bowl of watermelon. Really looking forward to it. Right now it's 1 p.m. So did a nice morning fast. Drank plenty of water. Hey, Blackberry. Eat your good stuff. My dog loves watermelon. Drank plenty of water throughout the morning, and now it's time to break the fast. Did a workout at 11 a.m. today. In fact, today's workout was the video that I posted yesterday. So yesterday's video was a really good full body workout. I recorded the video of me doing one round of it. So if you want to see a good workout, go check out yesterday's video. But I'm going to enjoy this watermelon and get on with my day. Just wanted to do a quick check-in, let everyone know about the protein craze that's been going on, and that you can now get protein in your water if you think you're not getting enough protein. So hope everyone has a great day, and we'll be in touch, I'm sure, tomorrow or the next day with another video. Bye-bye.